Today's preview is on the Tarmac Works Hobby 64, Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 6, New Zealand Rally winner driven by Tommi Makinen in 1999. These, among many others, will be released at the Tarmac Works Webstore tonight for Tarmac Works members and Thursday for the public for 10 PM Hong Kong time, along with many other awesome releases. You can refer to the link down below in my comment section. Big thanks to Tarmac Works for sending this casting for my review. Today will be an unboxing in a while, something for a change. If you like to see more setup like this, please do leave a comment. And now let's take a closer look at the Tommi Makinen Evo Lancer 6. A very clean sleeve that reflects on the casting. That's the signature livery for the Tommi Makinen Evo 6, together with the Tarmac Works logo, standard license information. A collector card is also included with Tarmac Works signature container design. I like the background on the sleeve, it's very well thought of. Standard information on the base with a dirt track theme, very nicely executed casting. I like the craftsmanship by Tarmac Works. The lamp ports really stands out. Paint job is very clean with very consistent color, similar to other Tommi Makinen variant. Looks even better out of the base. I like the dynamic front with all those lamp ports and the Mitsubishi logo on the grille. Very realistic wheel sets. I'm very impressed with the Michelin logo on the tires. Wheel sets are able to roll. It's not fast, not meant for track. Well executed on the rear. The Tarmac Works really take care of all the small details, even on the mud flaps. Very clear and sharp livery. And the alignment is very consistent. For such a small scale in 1/64, this is a very accurate representation of Tommi Makinen Evo 6 that participate in the rally. The craftsmanship to execute this casting is very meticulous. All the details are very precise, down to 1/64 scale. Quality is great. I have no problem showing this casting in extreme close-up to share with everyone. The Tommi Makinen series is really an awesome one. Each and every of these Evo 6 casting never fails to impress me. And one of my viewers mentioned that he liked to see the base. So here you go. I'll try to make this default for my every unboxing video. In conclusion, this Tommi Makinen Evo 6 winning car is another awesome release by Tarmac Works, and this is a must-have casting if you are a rally collector or Evo fan. Do not forget to add this casting to your cart when you check out. Stay tuned for more Tarmac Works unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.